10 steps to producing a clothing collection with Cut Day Limited. First step is design inspiration. You can pull this together on Pinterest. Make sure you include things such as fit inspiration and details on the garments such as hoodie, cuff and pocket details. Step 2, branding. This can include a logo and a favicon, and these will be used for your labeling, your swing tags and your packaging. Step 3 is pulling all these things together into a technical drawing. Step 4 is fleshing out that technical drawing into a full technical pack, including bills of materials, specifications for your artwork, and any construction recommendations and sizing. Now it's time to source your fabrics, your trims, and any packaging or swing tags needed. Sampling starts with pattern cutting. Once the 2D pattern is developed, it is then made into a 3D toile and fitted and edited until you're happy. Then you need to find your manufacturer. Make sure you cover things such as minimum order quantities, whether they're cut, make, trim, or fully factored, and their sustainability practices. You can then send your sample to your chosen manufacturer. Now it's time for approvals of all your fabrics that they work together and also of your fit sample. All these will be pulled together in your pre-production sample before production begins. Once your pre-production sample is approved, the next step is cut day. There will be no more edits allowed after this date. When production is complete, it's time for quality control. Make sure you look at things such as measurements, that there's no needles left in the garments, and that they're pressed and packaged as required. Congratulations, your first production is complete. Now it's just time to sell it.